Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see I'm providing you interesting tips and tricks if your YouTube channel someone can hack. So don't panic, calm and relax. You just follow my tips and tricks and you can very easily recover your YouTube channel. Personally, I'm facing someone hacked my YouTube channel and he changed my YouTube channel authentication address, mobile number, and he took all the rights, even the recovery email address he also changed. Entire thing is a change and I am very much stuck. How should I fix this problem? My brother, he's facing same problem and he fixed his problem with the help of YouTube team. He follows some of the instruction coming from the YouTube team and then he resolve his YouTube channel. Entire process I share with you what I am doing exactly and how you recover your YouTube channel. So first thing I'm doing, first of all, so my brother has sent me the message. He tweeted some of the Twitter handle Team India YouTube team. I just simply open here my X account. I can start from here. 7th of December my YouTube channel is hacked exactly midnight 12 o'clock and I'm receiving bunch of emails coming from hackers. And then December early in the morning I contact with my brother and he share with me this screenshot and say you can tweet this tweet on Twitter account and then YouTube team can contact you. So my first tweet is please help me @YouTube India, YouTube creators. My channel name is the Research Rocks was hacked on 7th of December at night. My channel URL is this. I strongly request to you please look into this issue and urgently, and I just simply retweet as well properly and then tweet it. So this is the 8. I have no patience, so again I retweet the same thing and same day YouTube team are replying me. Before posting a tweet you can follow the YouTube team. They replying me, so sorry you go through this painful problem information and the team restoring your account, can you follow the YouTube team? Then I follow them. They can DM me and replying here 8th of December, you're welcome, sending you the DM now. I just follow them. I can go here in the chat section. So look at this here some of the information I'm receiving. They're asking me for the email address, which email address I have access. So I have one email address access. Why they are asking me? Because of they are sending me one email, authentication email, so you can receive your rights of YouTube channel related information. So I just simply provide them and they are sending me this one, the access form. Right now the access form is not valid because of just only window 48 hours is open. The form, you can fill out the form properly and submit them towards you receive one email and all authentication rights. But before doing this one, you can make sure you can watch this video as well. I already added this link in video description. If you come here and here the chat with our hacked channel assistant, so you can click this one and join this one. Channel was suspicious, activate or something else. So you just simply say channel was suspicious, activate, and you just simply describe here which types of activity happen during your YouTube channel is hacked. I will show you exactly which types of mail or text I put it here. So recovery hack information, last night 7th of December around 12:05 AM I starting security email and I mention here each and every step properly as a time minute wise as well. Copy this one entire thing and paste it here. And afterwards they are providing me some of the instruction. You just follow this instruction. 100% assure if you doing this process, so your channel was 100% recovered. Definitely, you just don't make so complex and watching other contents. You just tweet first of all my channel was hacked and wait Saturday Sunday they are not working. And second thing, you just simply come to this URL and watch this video, as well as here the assistant section is also available. You just simply chat here and they can provide you as a Google form and you just fill out this entire Google form and then recover your channel. So this is the simple process. You should recover your YouTube channel using this process. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.